In our last video, we looked at how easy it is to query MongoDB with the assistance of Studio 3T's AI helper, and then how to query even quicker using the Visual Query Builder. Now, let's kick it up a notch and show you the quickest way of them all with our aggregation editor. We simply want to find out, what are the most popular pub names in Britain? With the British pubs collection selected, open the aggregation editor. From the operator drop-down, select $sort by count. In the placeholder, complete by leaving the $sign and replacing path_to_field with the word name. Press run. And, like pure magic, we get a listing of all the pub names in Britain in descending order of popularity, with the Red Lion coming in at the top as the most popular pub name, with a count of 201. Welcome to Aggregations. Learn how to save yourself a Friday out of every work week by going to studio3t.com and finding out more. Cheers to Britain's pubs.